Good morning this Tuesday, the 10th of October. I'm Sam Kennard, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Before we dive into the morning bell, we have an exciting announcement. For a limited time only, we are giving you exclusive access to 3 Bell Potter stock reports each week, delivered straight to your inbox. And as a bonus, you will go into the draw to win a share of 3 million Velocity frequent flyer points. The insights from these reports are something you can't find with any other online broker and is what we use to provide you with our daily trading ideas and market analysis. Gain extra entries by joining Bell Direct and placing your first trade. This offer is available to investors new to Bell Direct. And now into the morning bell. Wall Street closed higher overnight as investors assess rising geopolitical tensions caused by the conflict between Hamas and Israel and the potential ramifications for the energy market. Defense and oil-related companies rallied on Monday amid investor fears of a prolonged period of war in Israel. The Dow Jones ended the day 0.59% in the green, with the S&P 500 trading 0.63% higher and the tech-heavy Nasdaq also rallying 0.39%. In Europe overnight, markets closed lower as investors in the region also assessed the impact of geopolitical turmoil in the Middle East. The Stock 600 fell 0.3%, weighed down by travel and leisure stocks falling 2.4%, while oil and gas stocks rose 2.9% on the rising price of oil. Germany's DAX fell 0.67% on Monday, the French CAC lost 0.55%, and in the UK the FTSE 100 closed 0.03% lower. Shares in oil and gas companies Energean tanked more than 20% on Monday after the company announced that supply, production and work offshore would continue after the attack on Israel, where it operates in the northern region of the country that is not currently under attack. The local market opened the new trading week on a positive note, with the ASX 200 adding 0.23% at the closing bell on Monday, buoyed by the energy sector jumping 3.04% as the price of oil rose 4% on geopolitical tensions escalating in the Middle East. The gold miners also rallied yesterday amid a spike in the price of the precious commodity, which led to De Grey Mining jumping 8.07%, while Capricorn Metals added 5.35% and Newcrest Mining lifting 4.74%. Global markets have rallied since Friday on stronger than expected jobs data out of the US, providing further support for a soft landing expectation over a recession in the high interest rate environment. Popular Mexican fast food chain Guzman y Gomez is reportedly eyeing an IPO in Australia at the end of next year, with 2 CEOs at the helm, according to founder Stephen Marks. Hilton Brett has been appointed co-chief executive officer of GYG alongside Mr. Marks, who founded the company in Newtown in 2005. Magellan Financial's share price took a further hit yesterday, with the funds manager closing the day down over 7% as investors continue piling out on the back of the company's September trading update, indicating a further $4 billion in outflows were realised during the month, taking total funds under management to $35 billion. Asian stocks sold off on Monday amid weaker than expected tourism data from China's Golden Week holiday, which dented investor sentiment surrounding recovery in the region. As for what to watch locally today, ahead of the local trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX to open Tuesday's session 0.43% higher at market open this morning. On the commodities front this morning, oil is up 3.91% at $86.04 a barrel. Gold is up 1.22% at $18.54 an ounce, and iron ore is flat at $119.50 a tonne. Oil price jumped 4% after Hamas invaded Israel over the weekend. At this point, there appears to be no direct impact on oil supply and demand. However, a prolonged war will definitely have some form of impact. 1 Aussie dollar is buying 64 US cents, 95.05 Japanese yen, 52.12 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 6 cents. And now, let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter maintains a buy rating on Aries Resources and has increased its price target to 30 cents with a current share price of 18.5 cents. Its near-term outlook remains highly leveraged to increasing copper grades at the Tritton Copper Mine, where high-grade ore sources have commenced production and exploration success is likely to sustain it. And Bell Potter maintains a buy rating on SmartPay Holdings despite lowering their price target by 4 cents with a current share price of $1.53. The upcoming results should provide for further operating delta with a focus on unit growth and cost maintenance. And that's all we have time for today. We hope you have a great day, and as always, happy trading.